Huh? Are you wet down there?
Let's see if she'll do it.
Hey, there's Mama.
Lily.
Is Mama sleeping? Huh? No. Is Dada sleeping? Is Dada sleeping, huh? Is Daddy sleeping? Huh? No.
Lily have a wet diaper?
Do you have a wet diaper?
I think you do.
I bet you do have a wet diaper.
Did you go poopy? Did you go poopy? Yeah, you did.
Did you go poopy? Huh? Yeah. You got a wet diaper down there? Huh? Does Daddy have a wet diaper? Huh? Does Daddy have a wet diaper? Huh?
Guess we'll take that as yes.
Say yes. Where's Bella? I think you do. I think you got a wet diaper. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Oh.
Her face.
What's that? What's that? What's that camera? Is that a camera? Yeah. It's a camera. Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
No, Mimi, it's a phone.
It's a camera. No. You're trying to get that phone. Are you trying to get that phone? No. No. What about it, huh? Oh. Is Lily tired? No, Lily ain't tired. I bet Lily is tired. Yeah? Yeah?
Here comes the screen.
Oh. Oh. Ooh, stinky diaper. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. You got a stinky diaper.
Lily got a stinky diaper? I think Lily has a stinky diaper.